So whenever you use the Safari browser on your iPhone, it runs at 60 Hz by default, which can make the scrolling feel sluggish. As you can see in this website that checks the refresh rate, shows that my 17 Pro Max is currently running at 60 Hz in Safari. But you can easily fix this by enabling the hidden 120 Hz setting for the Safari. To do it, just open the phone settings, scroll down and open apps. Here, select Safari. Again scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. Again on the bottom, you'll find feature flags. Now here, you'll find lots of options. Look for prefer page rendering updates near 60 fps and turn the toggle off. And don't worry about finding this setting among all these other settings because this list is alphabetically sorted. So just scroll down to look for the settings starting with P and you'll find it. Just turn it off and your Safari browser will start loading and running at 120 Hz. If it doesn't, just reload the Safari app and it will start running at 120 Hz. And that's it for this one. If you like this video, then leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.